when you have finished your photo editing. You need to save your photo with Save As. Go to File, Save As. At the Save As type in the down arrow list, you won't see the option to save it as JPEG, PNG, and more. Now you need to go to Edit Preferences General. And then, select File Handling. Check Enable Legacy Save As and click OK. This set enables to save of JPEG, PNG, etc. in the down arrow list. Go and save again. You will see many types of formats at the Save As type in the down arrow list.